Children, welcome to today's art class. In today's class, our topic is nature craft and arts. Our topic is nature craft and arts. What is nature arts? Nature art is a form art inspired by nature. It's ephemeral art. Artistic creations are made from items found in nature, including leaves, sticks, bark, pebbles, seed pod, nuts, berries, petals, sand, and shells. The options are endless because anything in nature can be used. Wildcraft is the making of useful things by hands. Wildcraft is the making of useful things by hands. When you make things with your hands, they are called craft. We use our hands to make different crafts. We often use the two interchangeably. Art is more intangible, while craft is more of creation of physical objects. Art is more of artistics, while craft is more of learn, skills, and techniques. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.